Mike, sit down. You are fired, effective immediately.
You what?
Mike, meet your replacement, OpenClaw.
It's a lobster. How does it type? With those giant salad togs? You know what? Good luck with that ridiculous crustacean.
OpenClaw, summarize all 847 unread emails. Flag anything from legal.
Token usage summary. 14.7 million tokens consumed. Total charges, $50,000.
Are you kidding me? $50,000 in one single hour? Where on earth are my cat photos?
The folder labeled Strategic Affidal, I encrypted it, which I then deleted.
You are so fired!
Knowledge generating exit paperwork.
Mike, hey buddy, how's it going?
Who's this?
Funny story. That whole firing thing, total prank. Happy April Fool's Day.
A prank? Are you seriously kidding me right now? I accepted a new position this afternoon. Double the salary, full remote, and they don't have any lobsters on staff. Happy April Fool's Day, boss. Log entry, April 1st, 02 Lungrid hours. Probability that boss will attempt to rehire me tomorrow, 94.7%. Probability that I will accept, 0. Happy April Fool's Day.